Follow this tutorial and learn how to create this versatile graphic. Start off by selecting an arc shape and resizing it with identical values for height and width to create a balanced circle. Then, use the yellow dot appearing when clicking on the shape to fulfill the circle. Duplicate the shape and make it about 1.5 centimeters bigger. Select both shapes and go into Arrange in your upper right toolbar. Make sure they are aligned in the middle and the center. Next, fill in both shapes with different colors and make sure that the larger circle is in the background. This can be adjusted in the Arrange section. Take off the outline for the outer circle. For the inner circle, go into Outline. Then under the section Weight, make the outline thicker. Now select a circle shape and adjust it to 2.5 centimeters for both width and height. Set the shape filling to white. For the outline, choose the same color and thickness as for the outline of your inner arc. Now evenly distribute 8 of these circles on the arc. Use the gray guiding lines as well as the red guiding lines, which appear when placing shapes as orientation. Also make sure that the circles do not go past the background of the outer arc. For adjustments of 2 circles, you can also use the Align options. Next, go to the Insert section and click on Icon. Use the search bar to find 8 icons that fit your needs and place them in the circles. You could also import graphics or logos into PowerPoint for this step. If you want a lighter look on your final graphic, you can click on all circles and adjust the thickness of their outlines. To lock in all elements and have an easily movable and resizable graphic, don't forget to group all elements in the end. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.